Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has at least minimal power. This avoids mid-chain shutdowns. Once done, close any active calls or apps that use the network and save work. Now, open Settings or pull down the Quick panel. Either path is fine. You choose the quickest route. Settings for persistent control, Quick panel for speed. Make sure to look for the airplane mode icon. You're about to toggle it back on or off depending on state. Next, tap the airplane mode switch so radios re-enable. You'll see Wi-Fi and cellular icons return or change. Once you toggle it off, wait 10 to 30 seconds. This allows the modem and services to re-register with towers and networks. Make sure Wi-Fi reconnects to the correct SSID and that Bluetooth devices reappear if needed. If you previously turned Wi-Fi on while in airplane mode, ensure it remained enabled. Otherwise, turn it on manually after the airplane state clears. Finally, confirm calls, texts, and internet work. Place a quick test call or load a web page. If networks don't return in 1 to 2 minutes, restart the device. Reboot often clears modem glitches. Make sure to toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data individually to pinpoint the problem, and inspect airplane mode schedules or do not disturb conflicts. If still broken, reset the SIM or check carrier outage info. One key tip: a reboot fixes most reconnection failures, so try that before deeper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.